Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video also you have to remove your recently locking accounts on Facebook. So once you are go to Facebook to log in some your accounts, when you are going to open, and after that you can see your recently locking accounts right over here. So if you don't want this, if you want to remove, what you have to do is head over to these three dots, go to settings. In settings you can go to privacy and security and click over here delete search history. You have to select all time. Over here also you have to select this box, and after that delete data, and after that it will take some time, and after that when you are going to check, this option will be removed for sure. So guys, very simple and easy. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.